Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best apartment dryer is probably one of the most essential appliances for urban dwellers and small space living, transforming the tedious chore of laundry into a convenient, efficient process right in the comfort of your home, eliminating the need for laundromats or bulky outdoor drying racks, and ensuring your clothes are perfectly dry and ready to wear with minimal fuss, making it a true game changer for anyone seeking practical solutions to everyday challenges. Number 5. ECHOGEAR On-Wall Surge Protector. This device boasts a 1080J rating, shielding your electronics from harmful electrical surges. It's also fireproof, ensuring the safety of your entire home and valuable gear. Triple your outlet capacity with its 6 pivoting AC heads, accommodating all your electronics. This design ensures you have ample power for multiple devices. Installation is quick and easy, securing over existing outlets in seconds with the included screw. Its low 1.50-inch profile keeps your cables tidy and out of sight. It filters your electricity, eliminating dirty power from signal interference for optimal performance. Plus, it's UL safety certified and comes with a 5-year, $25,000 connected equipment warranty for peace of mind. Should you encounter any installation questions, our Minnesota-based product experts are ready to assist. They are available 7 days a week to provide helpful support. What we like? This protector offers robust 1080J surge protection and expands your outlets with 6 pivoting AC heads. Its low-profile design keeps cables tidy and installs in seconds. If you're looking for advanced surge protection and flexible power expansion in a discreet package, this is an excellent choice for keeping your electronics safe and organized. What people say. No positive product reviews with detailed information were found in the provided source. Therefore, no helpful points for buying an 110 apartment dryer could be extracted. Number 4. Euhomy Portable Dryer 1.5 cubic feet. This compact dryer packs 850 W of power, reaching a thermal peak of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It can accommodate up to 10 pounds of wet laundry, making it perfect for your needs. With independent high and low settings, it's more energy efficient than other dryers. Plus, it operates remarkably quietly, ensuring no disruption to your daily life or sleep. It offers various drying modes for different fabrics and weights, including cold, warm, hot, and air dry. Remember to use it after dehydration for the best results. This dryer is ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, or home gyms. Its lightweight design allows for easy movement to any room location. You can wall mount it, place it on a sturdy surface, or set it on a shelf. This flexibility ensures it fits perfectly into your living space. Its 105 degrees wide-angle door makes loading and unloading simple. For safety, it automatically stops if the door opens during operation, and a triple-layer filter keeps lint contained. Certified by ETL and DOE, it guarantees safety and quality. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and our professional after-sales team is ready to assist you with any issues. What we like? This compact dryer boasts remarkable quietness and an 850 W motor for efficient drying. It offers multiple drying modes to suit different fabrics and loads. If you live in an apartment, RV, or dorm and need a quiet, versatile dryer for small to medium loads, this unit is perfectly suited for your needs. What people say. Number 3. COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer. Introducing the COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer. This portable appliance is designed for small living spaces like apartments and dorms. Its lightweight and compact design allows for versatile placement, whether on the wall, ground, or a rack. Don't let its size fool you, it boasts powerful 850 W performance. With a 10 pounds capacity for wet clothes, it ensures your garments dry quickly. You can enjoy fresh, dry clothes even on the rainiest days. This dryer offers 4 automatic drying modes to suit various fabric types and weights. Choose from cool, warm, hot, or air dry settings. You can also manually set the drying time for perfect results every time. Enjoy a peaceful home environment with its quiet design. This appliance operates with minimal noise. It won't interrupt your conversations or disturb your sleep. Crafted with a durable stainless steel tub, this dryer is built for longevity. Its high-quality construction ensures reliable performance for years to come. It's an investment that keeps your clothes fresh and dry. The control panel is conveniently located for easy access and operation. It allows you to effortlessly select your desired drying mode or adjust settings. This ensures a simple and intuitive user experience. What we like. Weighing only 37.3 pounds, this dryer is incredibly portable and features an 850W motor with a 10 pounds capacity. Its durable stainless steel tub ensures long-lasting performance. If you prioritize portability and a robust build for your compact drying needs in small living spaces, this model offers excellent value. What people say. Number 2. Panda 1.5 CU.FT Portable Compact Electric Dryer. Introducing the ultimate compact dryer, perfectly designed for apartments, dorms, or any small living space. Whether it's your main dryer or a convenient secondary unit, it seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle. This dryer features an energy-efficient 850W motor, using low power while drying up to 10 pounds of wet laundry. It handles baby clothes, t-shirts, towels, and more with ease, reaching 140 degrees Fahrenheit to thoroughly dry and protect your fabrics. It offers versatile drying options, including cold, warm, hot, and air dry modes to suit different fabric types and load sizes. For optimal results, pre-dehydration and using the hot, timer and high heat settings are recommended. Its smart design includes a 3-layer filter system that efficiently traps lint and hair, which is also easily removable for cleaning. This unit plugs into any standard 120V outlet, making installation simple and helping to save on electricity costs. Designed for ease, it features a see-through door that opens wide for effortless loading and unloading. For your safety, it automatically shuts off when the door is opened, and it offers versatile installation options to fit your space. What we like. This dryer features an energy-efficient 850W motor and a smart 3-layer filter system for easy maintenance. Its user-friendly design includes a see-through door and automatic shut-off for safety. If you value energy efficiency, easy lint management, and convenient operation in a compact dryer, this option is designed with you in mind. What people say. Number 1. Portable mini clothes dryer with remote. Introducing the portable mini clothes dryer, your ultimate solution for laundry on the go. Its compact and foldable design makes it perfect for small apartments, RVs, or even travel. Experience unparalleled convenience with its intuitive remote control. You can easily start, stop, and adjust settings from anywhere in the room. Don't let its size fool you. This dryer boasts a spacious drum. It can handle a significant amount of lightweight laundry, making it surprisingly efficient. Enjoy a deeper clean for your garments with its integrated UV hygiene technology. This feature ensures your clothes are not just dry, but also more comfortable and fresh. Crafted from high-quality plastic or metal alloy steel, this machine is built for durability. It's designed to withstand regular use, providing reliable service for years. For optimal drying, remember to spin dry clothes first to reduce moisture. It works best with 4 to 6 lightweight items, and redistributing them halfway ensures even drying. This compact assistive dryer is ideal for those with limited space or specific drying needs. It's a smart choice for quick drying of everyday essentials. What we like. This unique dryer offers convenient remote control operation and a highly portable, foldable design. It also includes UV hygiene technology for deep cleaning your clothes. If you're a traveler, live in a very small space, or prioritize advanced hygiene features and ultimate portability, this assistive dryer is an innovative solution. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.